Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, the 6th of November, and we're glad to present you our weekly analytical review of the foreign exchange market. Last week, the pair euro to dollar traded around the level of 1.1640. Currently, the price is trying to consolidate below it and the line of Fibo fan at 38.2% to continue reduction to the levels of 1.150 and 1.140. This scenario may be developed after breaking through October minimums at 1.1575. In case the price reverses and breaks out the level of 1.1640, the pair may be corrected upwards to the middle line of Bollinger Bands at 1.1750. Technical indicators don't give a clear signal. Bollinger Bands have reversed downwards. MACD histogram is growing in the negative zone, but Stochastic is directed upwards. Fundamental events of the week include the data on services PMI and retail sales in Eurozone. Generally, downward movement may continue in case the price breaks through October minimums at 1.1575. The pair pound to dollar had mixed dynamics last week. After growth at the beginning of the week, it was rapidly corrected to 1.3070, showing a negative reaction to the results of the meeting of the Bank of England. Currently, the level of 1.3070 seems to be a key one. The consolidation of the price below it will open the way for further reduction to 1.2970 and 1.290. Otherwise, the pair may be corrected to the middle line of Bollinger Bands at 1.320. Technical indicators show the possibility of the fall. MACD histogram is growing in the negative zone, and Stochastic is directed downwards. Fundamental events of the week include the data on the volume of industrial output in the UK. Generally, the consolidation of the fall is possible if the price consolidates below 1.3070, but the restoration of growth cannot be excluded. Last week, the pair dollar to yen was growing and is currently trading around 114.30. Growth may continue to 115.0 and 115.85. Correction to the levels of 113.20 and 112.90 may be possible after the breakdown of the level of 113.85 that meets Fibo correction of 23.6%. Technical indicators don't give a clear signal. Bollinger Bands have reversed upwards, MACD histogram is stable in the positive zone, and Stochastic starts to reverse near the overbought area. Generally, the downward correction is possible if the level of 113.85 is broken down, but the continuation of growth also cannot be excluded. Last week, the pair Australian dollar to US dollar tested the level of 0.770, but then was corrected to the level of 0.7640. The key level of the bears seems to be 0.7615, meeting Fibo correction of 61.8%. Its breakdown will open the way for further reduction to 0.7510. The consolidation of the price above 0.770 may lead to growth to the levels of 0.7750 and 0.780. Technical indicators show reduction. Bollinger Bands are directed downwards, MACD histogram is growing in the negative zone, and Stochastic is reversing downwards as well. Fundamental events of the week include RBA decision on the interest rate. Generally, the continuation of the fall seems likely if the level of 0.7615 is broken down. The quotes of gold last week remained in the lower Bollinger Band, within the range of 1280.0 to 1265.0. Currently, the price is testing the lower border of the range once again, and if it is broken down, the instrument may further decrease to 1248.0. The consolidation of the price above 1280.0 will open the way for growth to 1296.0. Technical indicators show reduction. MACD histogram is growing in the negative zone, and Stochastic has reversed downwards. Generally, one should wait for the breakthrough of key levels at 1265.0 or 1280.0. That's all for today, and good luck with your trading!